In this video, I will show you how to connect speaker to a TV using RCA. Now, over here is my RCA cable. It has this black and red RCA cable to an aux jack or a headphone jack. And what you want to do is to basically connect the headphone jack to your speaker. So over here in my speaker, you can basically see the headphone input over here. And in speakers like a soundbar, you can basically see the headphone jack over here. So what you basically want to do is to go ahead and connect the aux cable to any of these ports on your speaker. Now, for some speakers, you may actually have a wider headphone jack, for instance, this one. And if you have a wider headphone jack, then you need to get an adapter like this one. And what you just want to do is to go ahead and plug in the headphone jack into the adapter like so. And then you want to go ahead and plug this adapter to your speaker. Now, like I said before, this is for speakers that actually have a bigger headphone jack. But if your speaker is like this soundbar over here, like this one, which is smaller, then you want to just go ahead and plug it directly to your soundbar, just like this. Now, coming down to the back of your TV, you want to go ahead and look for the AV output ports on your TV. Now, it is important to note that not every TV actually has the AV outputs. For instance, this particular TV only have the AV input but no AV output. Now, what this means is that this particular TV does not have the capacity to send out audio from an AV cable. But if your TV do have the AV output label, just as you have the AV input over here, then what you want to go ahead and do is go into the AV output and you want to go ahead and plug in the red cable to the red cable on your AV output, just like so. Make sure it is firmly plugged, and then you also want to go ahead and plug in the black cable to the AV output white or black inputs, just like so. And once you plug that, you're good to go. Finally, for this to work, you want to make sure that your TV output is set to ARC or ARC. So you want to go to the sound settings of your TV, go to audio output like so, and make sure that it is set to ARC, just like mine over here. And then you also want to make sure that your speaker mode is also set to ARC or ARC. This will ensure that both of them pairs and works properly. But if your TV only has the AV inputs just like mine, then you will need an adapter just like this. Now, this is actually an adapter that can send out audio, but you need to plug it to the headphone port on your TV. So both cables will be plugged into these ports over here, and then you're going to plug this to the headphone port on your TV. So you can see over here on my TV, I have the headphone ports over here. So in this particular case, we're going to plug in these cables into this adapter, just like so. And once you've plugged it to this adapter, we can now go ahead and plug it to the headphone port on the TV. So you can see the headphone port over here. We're just going to plug it like so. Now, finally, you want to go over to your speaker and change the speaker mode to aux. So you just want to use your remote control or use the button on the speaker to change the speaker mode to aux. So I'm just going to press on mine like so to change the speaker mode. And now that the speaker is now set to aux, we can now hear the sound from the TV on our speaker. So basically, that is how to connect your TV to any speaker using ARC. If this video was helpful, guys, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.